Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Irwin 3019016B. This is a black and gold high-speed steel fractional straight shank jobber length drill bit, 1/4 inch. These are priced per bit. Okay, priced and sold per bit. Although there are times when an order multiple is required, and this is one of those times where they want to sell only an entire package of 12. So be mindful if you see must be purchases and purchased in quantities of, that's what they're looking for because they're not breaking these out. So this is a 1/4 inch, black and gold, laser etched markings for easy identification. You won't really be able to see it there on the shank on the camera at all, but there is an image down below that shows what's marked down there, HSS, and then the size, 1/4 inch. High-speed steel, features a black shank and gold flute, heavy-duty web construction for strength and durability. 135-degree split point begins drilling immediately, minimizing bit walk. That's very true. You've got like maybe 119 or 121, then 135. I like those a lot. I like that bit degree, that tip degree by far in practically every installation. When I want to take my work, I want to center punch so I can seat my bit and then immediately start, cutting that rather than that bit walking a little bit. And also, I find with that greater degree is that when you're drilling through something, especially thick items, very thick items with larger bits, you get to that end point, that's where you're going to seize. And I find with that 135, I'm evacuating or removing more material as I progress through the material. So there's there's less material left over to seize at the end. Especially, you're drilling overhead, you're drilling a 5/8 hole into 1/4 inch plate. Been there, done that. I don't want to seize while I'm in this awkward, position, frankly, up on a ladder. 3 flatted shank on 3/16 and above. And that's what this is going to feature. 3 flattened shanks, sides of the shank. Overall length, about 4 1/8. Let's switch to the screen view now and take a closer look at the supporting documentation. Okay, so here's the item that we are looking at, the extended description information down below that I was basically reading from. What I wanted to show you, though, let's take our part number and let's copy it and then open up the product brochure here and then do a find function on your keyboard for your part number. Don't know why that part number lingers there, but it's certainly right here in the table of all of the sizes of the black and gold high-speed steel fractional sizes. So you might say, yeah, I need 1/8 of an inch. Well, there's your part number, because that's 1/8 of an inch. This client also bought 3/16, 5/32, and these 1/4 inch. So all of the sizes are here. Very handy to have that. And then naturally you'll be able to go through the entire document to see all things metal drilling related from Irwin. Encyclopedic information you'll generally find in the beginning of the catalog, and I was close, 119, 121, well it's 118. I like that 135 better. That TurboMax tip is nice if I'm drilling into wood and I want to, I've used the concept with these cutters on the outside when I want to evacuate the material, but this TurboMax tip from here wouldn't be the one used. The point of me saying that is the principle is the same, where it's evacuating material as you're going through it. Cutting speeds by working material. This is an interesting document so that you have an understanding of how fast you should be turning. And in particular, this reference guide here has all of that data on the last page of this document. There's quite a bit of science when it comes to drilling through material, what you're drilling into, and what you're using to drill into it with, which is very necessary knowledge, especially if you're doing safe work, if you're a locksmith and you're working on safes. The first 3 pages of this document is really a table that will show you the size of tap you need and the size drill bit you need depending on the tap hole size that you want to accomplish. Also, below this video, a link here to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Irwin products we sell by means of this horizontal navigation, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Let's wrap up this video on camera. In conclusion, I'm partial to Irwin, and it's not only because I'm a distributor, it's because I use the products personally, and I can attest to the high performance of much of the product line. If you have any questions on the Irwin 3019016B, black and gold, 1/4-inch, high-speed steel, jobber's length drill bit with a 135-degree point, or any other Irwin product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you very much. Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.